Just got home from work. Wanted to share a short video with you. I haven't seen anyone really posting videos on roadie recipes. I miss all you guys. I hope you guys get back to work soon. Not in the business no more, but still like to cook, and I still miss all you guys. Anyway, I bought this new deal. It's a ANOVA NANO. It's a precision cooker. I guess you call it a Sous Vide. Sous Vide, I guess. I used it last week on some ribeyes. It's over there in the pot burning. Gets the water. I guess it cooks everything real even. So I'm going to run you guys through this strip recipe. I kind of using off of their app, but also add some of my own aromatics and stuff to it and see how it turns out. Maybe you guys want to try one of these. The ribeyes we did last week, we did in there. We got right at the exact temperature of 130. And then we seared them real quick. It came out perfectly medium rare. It was really awesome. So I'm gonna try this, and we'll see how it goes. I'll post the recipe on. All right. So first, I bought a pack of the frozen, raw, deveined and tailed, peeled shrimp. Thawed them out. So I got a pound of them here. So we're gonna throw them in there. Then I'm gonna cut up some cilantro. I'm gonna put a little garlic with it. And I'm going to vacuum seal it in the food saver right here. So I'll catch up with you in just a minute. Do any of the seasonings on it yet until I sear it, except for just the aromatics, which the garlic will cover that, and the cilantro, and the salt, of course. I guess that is a seasoning. But anyway, melted my butter. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that butter in there. This is what it's going to cook in here, if you guys can see that. All right, here's the sous vide unit. It Bluetooths to your phone, and you set your exact temperature and your timer and everything Bluetooth from your phone. Kind of, the format is similar to the Traeger Bluetooth. Very easy to use, recipes online. So here we are at our prime temperature, 124.9. We got our vacuum sealed shrimp, and there's a couple ways to do this. A lot of times they want to float, so we're just gonna see what they do when we drop them in. And they did pretty good. So typically, because of the vacuum sealer, you just want everything submerged. So that looks a little bit, they're all under the water, but you know, I would like something a little bit better. There's a couple ways to do it. One, you can get laundry pins and pin your meat to the side in a downward position to hold it down. Another one, I was told, if you put whiskey stones inside the vacuum seal, it'll basically weigh it down, right? Kind of like a fishing line. So for this one, I'm just gonna go with it how it is. I think it's fine, and we'll check back. It's gonna do this for 30 minutes, then I'm gonna pull it out, pepper a little bit of Tony's Creole on the outside, and do a high temp sear in my cast iron pot there. So real quick, I found a cool tip. You know your little spoon holder that you keep on the side? Mine's the Raiders, because I'm a Raider fan, you know, for your spoon, for your spaghetti or whatever. I went ahead and I realized I can just flap it over the top of the bag, and it's gonna come in there just right. Cool. Just a quick little sear, boys and girls. Woo! Alright, so I really like salads. I'm gonna finish it off. I got them nice and seared up flavor. I got some avocado, tomato, Underneath there's some pepperoni and some other stuff. I think these would be really good in shrimp tacos. I didn't make them tonight. I was feeling like a salad, so I got some balsamic vinaigrette. And I'm going to give it a go, man. I appreciate everyone hanging out. If you want to get one of these things, you probably should. They are awesome. The shrimp is perfect. It turned out really good. I didn't sear them all. I left some of them kind of plain just to see what the difference was, but I definitely like the seared ones. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy.